beautiful people. I'm Nancy Ogbebo and you are welcome to my kitchen. Hope you all are doing great. Today let's make this Nigerian meat pie with or without oven. So without further ado, let's dive right into the preparation. Okay, so in my bowl I have 500 grams of flour, 250 grams of margarine. So we're gonna be mixing this till it forms a crumbling texture, and I'll be adding half teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of baking powder. I'm gonna mix everything together to combine. So I'm gonna make a small hole in the middle and I'll add in 1 egg and half cup of cold water. My half cup is 125 ml. Okay, for clarity's sake. So we're gonna mix everything together and try to form a dough. Please don't overmix the dough. So next I will transfer the dough into a clean film and we're gonna refrigerate this for 30 minutes. Okay, so for the meat pie fillings, I have my bell peppers, onion, minced meat, potato, green bell pepper and carrot. So without further ado, let's continue. In my pan I'll be adding in vegetable oil. Next I'll add in my chopped onion. So I'm gonna saute this till it is translucent. Next I'll go in with my curry powder and I'll stir everything together. Next I'll be adding in my minced beef. I'll stir and continue cooking. Okay, so I'm gonna cook this till it is no more pinkish in color. The pink color has disappeared. Next I'll be adding in sweet potato and I'll add in my carrots. You can also use Irish potato, okay? So I'll be adding in seasoning powder, salt. So you add in some water to cook both the carrots and the potato. Black pepper, you can use fresh pepper, okay? So we'll cover this and cook for a few minutes, and next I'll be adding in my red bell pepper, green bell pepper, and we'll stir everything together. Look at how colorful this is. Next I'll be adding in flour and water mixture. So I'll mix everything together and I'm going to add them into the mixture. So we'll allow this to simmer for a few minutes and we are done. I transferred it into a bowl and I'll allow it to cool down completely. Next in my pot I'll be adding in salt and I'll put that stand in the pot. I greased my pan and this is my dough. This is after 30 minutes. I'll transfer the dough onto my work surface and I'm going to divide this dough into smaller portions, and that will make it easy to work with. Thank you everyone for always coming back to watch me. I truly appreciate all your support and I'm not taking your love for granted. Okay, for those that are coming for the first time, you are welcome. Here we'll make amazing recipe that you will love. Please stay connected. So cut out a round shape with your desired size. Okay, so I'll be using this cover to get my round shape. Okay, so now I have my round shape cut out. I'll place about 1 to 2 tablespoons of the meat mixture in the center and I'll brush it with egg wash. Okay, you can brush the edges with water too. Okay, so I'll fold this and I'll seal it with a fork. So you can also seal it with your finger, whatever works for you. So I'll be cutting it with my pizza cutter to make it look finer. Okay, that's why I'm using the pizza cutter. So So after that, combine all the leftover dough and roll it again to form more circle. So at this point, I'll transfer it into my baking pan, and this baking pan is greased with water. So what I'm doing is just adding egg wash. That is the mixture of egg and small water mixed together. Then we brush it on the dough, and that will give it a brownish color. So I'm gonna do this on a low heat for about 45 minutes. And this is the meat pie without oven and the meat pie with oven. So look at how beautiful this is. The outcome was so beautiful. So with or without oven, you can do your meat pie. Okay, so this is the oven baked meat pie, and this is how it looks. Then this is the pot baked meat pie. Look at how beautiful this is. Okay, so you can make this from the comfort of your home. I'll see you in my next one.